Alright, gang, this is the '09 Equinox. Shut off while it was running. No communications with the computer, with the ECM. Opened it up. Touched the computer with the test light, and you can see the housing is powered up. That means the ground is missing. Okay, that ground has burned out. This is the rest. This is what's left out. Okay, it burnt out. And what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna run the ground from the ground to this little what's left of it, and we're gonna start the vehicle. There you go. All right, thank you.